Good morning. I'm busy on the Toyota Stallion. I'm trying to put plating in at the top of the roof, which is rusted away. I'm cutting some plate. I cut some plate, bent it. I want to just see if it's going to fit. Come on. Let's trim up here. Trim down. I think I'll get more in. That's more or less what I'm looking for, but I must trim off more, a lot more to get it further down, so the edge can go in closer. This edge is still way too far out. Hey. Oh no, this lip here must lay in further there so it can get closer to the rubber over there. Now to do that I'll have to trim it off till it fits in. I'm not a panel beater spray painter, but that side fits better. This side's fitting better, but the angle is not right. The angle's more or less right, but she's too maybe I should trim her. And the rubber, it looks, it's going to be fine like that. I don't know, YouTubers. I really don't know how to get this sorted out like this. This is the piece that was in there, and you can see how rusted it is. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get it how I want it. You can see this one is very crushed, it's rusted away, there's hardly nothing left of it. That angle over there is about the angle I've got now, but you must just slide in a bit better. I'm a bit confused with the angles here, but in any case, I hope you enjoyed this short intro video. I'm going to leave it at this on the moment and see what I can do further. I'm not going to bore you with cutting and bending and heating and bending. I'll get back to you when I've got the piece in here. Thank you so far. Like and subscribe. It would help my channel along. And thank you.